welcome my channel CSC Education. Myself Suvendra Kumar Dani, lecturing in mathematics. Today I am discussing about the topic problem based on integration bias using in trigonometric substitutions. So previous class I have discussed all the formula based upon the integration by using trigonometric substitutions. Now here one by one formula with examples. So first formula based on this type, dx divided by a square minus of x square equals to sine inverse x divided by a plus of c. I have discussed this part in the previous video or previous class. So first of all, this formula for examples is based upon this formula, dx divided by 11 minus 4x square in the root over factor. Okay, alright. In this formula, we get these results. Here, dx divided by a square minus of a is a constant factor here, 11 is a constant factor now. 4 is a constant factor. Alright, now this value equals to, first of all, convert this factor, dx divided by root 11 square minus 2x square of total root over factor. Now put the value 2x equals to here root 11 sine theta. Okay, so x is a factor of theta, so derivative both sides with respect to theta. That means derivative of this factor is 2 dx by d theta equals to root 11 cos theta here. No. Alright. Now this value equals to, in the given factor is converted to the 2x in the theta form. So we also convert the dx in the theta form. Dx equals to here root 11 divided by 2 cos theta d theta. Substitute this value in the previous integral value. So here dx equals to root 11 by 2 cos theta and d theta divided by root 11 square minus root 11 sin theta whole square of total root over of integrations. Okay. Now this value equals to root 11 by 2 is a constant factor. So here now root 11 by 2 and here cos theta d theta divided by here root 11 square, here root 11 square. So common factor is root 11 square. Root 11 square common factor. Then 1 minus of sine square theta in the total root over. Alright. Now this value equals to root 11 by 2 here in the common square factor of this multiple of 1 divided by root 11 in the integrations 1 minus sin square by the square relation 1 minus sin square theta is the cos square theta in the root over factor. So value is cos theta d theta whole divided by cos theta, here cancel out the cos theta factor and root 11 divided by root 11 factor. The value is 1 by 2 integration of d theta. So this value equals to 1 by 2 d theta, here theta plus c. Okay, that is the integration constant or arbitrary constant of integrations. 1 by 2 theta, here theta value is converted here, sin theta equal to 2x divided by root 11. So theta equal to sine inverse root 11 sine inverse 2x divided by root 11 plus c. Okay, this is the based on this formula examples. Another question is that related to this. question is integrations dx divided by 5 minus x square minus 4 in the 4x. First of all, this factor is not converted to directly in this form. So firstly convert this factor in the formula point of form. This value equals to dx divided by 5, here 4x is here, plus 5 or minus 5 is putting here. So 5 minus of x square minus of 4x minus 4 plus of 4. Total root over. This value equals to integrations dx divided by 5 plus 4 value is 9 minus factor minus x square minus 4x in the minus factor common. So value a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, that means x plus of 2 whole square here. Now this value equals to integrations dx divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square here. But here in this form now converted of the quotients. So formula is in the directly dx divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square, that means a square minus of x square. Here a is the 3, x is the factor of x plus 2. So formula sin inverse of x divided by, here x is x plus 2 divided by a is here 3 plus c your answer. Okay. Another question is this related formula. Question is x plus 3 divided by 5 minus of x square minus 4 the root 4x the root over of dx. So this factor is converted to firstly x plus 2 plus of 1 whole divided 5 minus x square in the previous questions 4x minus 4 plus 4 in the root over factor. Here value is converted to x plus 2 plus 1 divided by 9 minus x plus 2 whole square the root over of dx, or x plus 2 divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square of root over of dx, the integration factor, plus of in the integration dx divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square in the root over factor. This is a directly formula related, but here in this factor total factor each putting this value is given here. So first of all in this part, in this that is the 1, that is integration of 2. Suppose in integration 1, because x total factor 3, so 3 square minus of x plus 2 whole square equals to, suppose t is a function of x, that means here dt by dx, 3 is a constant, in the derivative of constant factor is 0, so that is the 0 factor, minus 2 is the power factor, first of all 2 x plus 2, here x plus 2 derivative is 1 because x in the derivative of 1, 2 is a constant factor 0, so that means dt by dx or minus x plus 2 dx equals to here dt by 2 or x plus 2 of dx equals to minus dt by 2 here. Alright. So in the integration part, firstly this part in the generally converted to in this section. So here value is minus 1 by 2 in the constant factor dt, the root over of t. Okay, here plus in the integration dx divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square root over So in this part, root over of t, that means root over of t, that means minus half t to power minus half plus of 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus this, the general value is sine inverse of x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. So value is here minus half plus or minus of this factor t of half, okay, plus sine inverse x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. Here now t, the value is minus in the root over 5 minus x square minus 4x is the factor first of all, okay. Our given data value is 9 minus x plus 2 whole square plus sine inverse x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. Okay, alright. This is your answer of this problem based. In the second formula related questions, now the second formula is suppose dx divided by a square plus of x square. This value in the inverse trigonometric function 1 by a tan inverse of x divided by a plus c. Okay, so question is integrations dx divided by 3x square plus 7. So but this type of related questions. Okay, your answer is first given integration value dx divided by 3x square plus 7 in the factor a square plus of x square. Here 3x is the firstly the variable factor first of all, then your constant factor. So here this value equals to dx divided by root 3x whole square plus root 7 whole square. So this factor is converted to the formula. So now in the formula, firstly by using trigonometric substitutions, so put root 3x equals to here root 7 of tan theta. This value equals to or imply that root 3x is a function of theta. The d by d theta both sides, the value is root 3 dx by d theta equals to root 7 of sec square theta, or this implies dx equals to root 7 by root 3 of sec square theta d theta. Substituting this value in the given integral, now your value is here integrations. Here root 7 by root 3 is a constant, so common root 7 by root 3 sec square theta d theta whole divided by root 7 tan theta whole square plus root 7 whole square. Okay, in this factor root 7 by root 3 multiple of here common factor is 1 by root 7 whole square. Now 1 plus tan square theta here. Now by the square relation, that is the sec square theta, here given sec square theta d theta divided by sec square theta. So sec square theta you cancel out. So 1 root 7 factor in the lower part is squaring factor, in the upper part is root 7. So value is 1, cancel it. 1 by root 3 multiple of root 7. Okay, now integration of d theta. This value equals to 1 by root 21 of d theta. Integration is theta. So 1 by root 21 theta here. Tan theta equal to root 3 by x. That means theta equals to tan inverse root 3x divided by root 7 plus C your answer. This is the related questions. Okay. Another question is I am discuss. Okay. Another questions. Integrations. Suppose e to power 4x of dx divided by e to power 8x e to power 8x plus 4. Another bit is here answer is given questions e to power 4x of dx divided by e to power 8x plus of 4. So this factor is converted to e to power 4x. Now this will imply equals to e to power 4x dx divided by e to power 4x whole square plus 2 square. This part is converted to now this factor. In the directly put in this value. So here put e to power 4x equals to 2 tan theta. So here 4 e to power 4x dx equals to 2 sec square theta and d theta. Now e to power 4x dx equals to 2 divided by 4 sec square theta d theta. Substituting this value in the given integrals, 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. So value is here 1 by 2 is a constant factor in the common. Now integration sec square theta d theta divided by here 2 tan theta whole square plus 2 square. This is the related factor. Now 1 by 2 sec square theta d theta divided by here 2 is common factor, squaring factor 2 square 1 plus or tan square theta plus 1 of integrations. In the square relation this is sec square theta. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 or integration sec square theta of d theta divided by sec square theta here. Cancel this part. So 1 by 8 integration of d theta. This value equal to 1 by 8 theta plus of c 1 by 8 theta equal to here tan theta equal to e to power 4x divided by 2 theta equals to tan inverse e to power 4x by 2 plus c your answer. Today I have discussed two problem based on the integrations by using trigonometric substitutions. Okay.